Welcome to the app named Iotic Tricona. This is a tour of triangular geometry. We see a triangle on the start screen. The four well-known centers are circumcenter O, incenter I, centroid G, and orthocenter H. Let us check out the features. Click the sun or moon icon to toggle between light and dark themes. Click the speaker icon to turn on the voice.
Circumcenter, centroid, incenter, orthocenter.
Click the side pane icon to hide the side pane, wide screens only.
Circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter.
Show the side pane again. It does not appear on phones in portrait mode. The main menu lists all interactive geometries and animated proofs. The first chapter, the triangle, contains 9 animated proofs. The second chapter, the right triangle, covers the Pythagorean Theorem with a few proofs. Next come chapters for the circumcenter, incenter, centroid, and orthocenter. The 9-point circle and the Euler line are two beautiful results in triangular geometry. We have step-by-step animated proofs for them. Here is the Euler line, connecting the circumcenter and the orthocenter, with the 9-point center at its midpoint and the centroid 1/3 of the way from the circumcenter. Drag the vertices around. The claim always holds. More general results are covered in the chapter concurrency theorems, such as Seve's theorem and Menelaus' theorem. The final chapter covers advanced topics, with animated proofs of the Simpson line theorem, the Mickle-Point theorem, and Napoleon's theorem. Let us watch a simple proof of the Pythagorean theorem. Click play to start the first step.
Start with AB by B square, blue, and an A by a square, red, side by side.
Play the next step.
We claim the red and blue squares together equal C squared, the square on the hypotenuse. To see why, we'll cut and rearrange.
Go back to the previous step.
We claim the red and blue squares together equal C squared, the square on the hypotenuse.
Pause. Resume.
We claim the red and blue squares together equal C squared, the square on the hypotenuse. To see why, we'll cut and rearrange.
Play to the end.
Cut out the blue triangle and the red triangle. Translate the blue triangle to the top of the A by a square. Then translate the red triangle to the top of the B by B square. The pieces rejoin to form a perfect square tilted at an angle. Its side length is the hypotenuse C. Thus, A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
The help menu at the top right has details for each proof. The Android version is in preview on Google Play. Try it on your phone or tablet and help us test. See the description of this video for installation instructions. Visit Dr. Iota's website at driota.xyz to try it out.